Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket live at SEMA 2018 in the Pop and Lock booth alongside Jacqui. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Again, the second lady I've spoken with this week after a parade of about 500 sweaty dudes. It's very nice for me.
Good. I'm glad.
Okay, excellent. What's going on with Pop and Lock this year?
Awesome. We've got a lot of great things happening this year. We've got Honda and Toyota extending to 2019. Toyota is really our #1 seller. We've got a power lock that works on both the Tundra and the Tacoma. It's one part number. It's a power lock, so it works with your OEM key fob. So when you hit your lock, it locks your doors, locks your tailgate at the exact same time.
And we actually have videos of us installing this. You can check those out right now on the YouTube channel for Midwest Aftermarket. So we're taking a look at the Pop and Lock over here. What else do we have going on?
So we've got a power tailgate lock, but then we're also featuring a tailgate release. So your other trucks, kind of like Ford, they release the tailgate when you hit a button. We kind of developed something similar. It's new, it's prototyping, but it's pretty cool. So I can show you that really quick.
Yeah.
Up and back. So we got a series of buttons that we press. We're going to do lock, unlock, unlock.
What? Now what? Hold on now. Wait a minute. Whoa.
Yeah, it's a cool concept. It's something that we're prototyping right now. Hopefully going to be launching it this summer or something, but something fun, you know?
It's very fun. Can I do that? All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to hit lock, unlock. Okay, lock, unlock, unlock. I feel like it's a code in a video game.
Series, yeah.
Lock, unlock, unlock.
There it goes.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, all right. Do we have anything else going on other than this mind-blowing stuff right here?
Other than that, obviously, we just have the locking feature, unlocking. So it's got the manual handle.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to. That's really cool.
Then you can lock it with your key fob.
That's sweet.
So it's all about the convenience in our world.
Awesome. Now, I've heard there's something over here that we wanted to talk about too. What's going on?
Yeah, so we got our UTV tailgate locks. We partnered with X-Hang on this one. So they created a series of tonneau covers to just really give an extra security and, you know, just extra storage space to your UTVs. So we started with Polaris Ranger. We've got the 57900, the 1000 XP, and we also have the General. So just adding a little bit of security to that storage bed there.
I like that, the General.
The General.
Guys like me are going to see that and go, well, I have to buy the General.
Yeah,
obviously.
It's the coolest one.
Okay, cool. And you said that the Pop and Lock over there, that is a prototype. Any idea when that's going to be available?
We're hoping 2019, summer of 2019. Hope.
Okay, summer of 2019, fingers crossed. If it's available, it's definitely going to be on MidwestAftermarket.com, along with everything else that we've seen so far. Jacqui, thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it, too. We'll see. I appreciate you. I do. We'll see you next time.